Hi, my name is Dennis Freitas with YouMacShow.com, and welcome to the first online screen tutorial. We are going to provide free online screen tutorials for everything Macintosh related. We are going to bring you from the moment you get your computer here to the house and start it up, and we're going to walk you through every option that's built into the Mac OS X. We are also going to cover several other things. We're going to cover the hardware. We're going to cover Mac OS X and Snow Leopard and all the features within inside of that. We're going to cover the third-party software. We're also going to cover the iPhone and the iPad as soon as that comes out. So we have quite a bit going on here, but basically we want to take you from point A all the way to point Z. And the idea is that there are so many different screen tutorials out there, even over at Apple's website. But there's just kind of this little hodgepodge thing going on with screencasts. And I want to take you from the moment that you bring your computer home. And in case you're switching from Windows, we're going to do a lot of those kind of comparisons. But the idea behind this is to show you how to maximize the use of your computer and we're going to cover everything from system preferences to mobile me to adding your mail accounts. Then we're going to go to adding third-party softwares, things that would help you maximize the use of your Macintosh computer. That's what a screen tutorial is all about, and we are going to start at the very beginning and work our way all the way through to where you're comfortable using your Mac and your iPhone. And things like Mobile Me, for example, that's just an outstanding service. If you have a desktop machine, you have an iPhone, and you have a laptop and soon an iPad, Mobile Me ties everything together, and it really makes sense to sign up for a Mobile Me account if you haven't already, but we will definitely cover that in a screencast as well. So we're going to probably start out with simply setting up your account, your first user account, and going all the way through to some more advanced features. So we're really excited about this. It'll all be posted at YouMacShow.com. Also, it'll be available in the iTunes store as well, where you can subscribe to podcasts, and we will teach you how to do that. We are going to be your free online training center right here at YourMacShow.com. So just as a brief idea here, the way a screen tutorial works is that I actually show you, now here I'm bringing my mouse into play, and I will walk you through every portion of the menu bar. For example, we call it the dock. So here is your Finder, this is your dashboard, and this is what comes standard with your Mac when you bring it home. The first time you turn it on, these are going to things you're going to see in your dock. Your mail icon, your Safari web browser, your iChat, and your address book, your calendar, preview, which is a very powerful, that will take probably 2 screencasts itself to cover. Of course, iTunes, photo booth, which is a lot of fun, your iPhoto, which is part of the iLife package, moving with the iLife package, iMovie, GarageBand, Time Machine. That is something that's very important, and some of the products you could see over my shoulder here will allow you to wirelessly back up your system, but we'll get more into that on a screencast. Each one of these items I'm talking about we're going to do screencasts for. This is your system preferences. Now, ScreenFlow is not something you're going to see. That's what I'm using to create this screencast. And then beyond this line here, this little divider, is your applications folder, which I have customized, and I'll show you how to do that. You have your documents folder and your current downloads, and then the window that is currently open, which is your Finder window. So you bring up your Finder window, there's your desktop, your documents, your downloads, the library, movies, music, pictures, a public shared folder, and sites. And this is, again, is a brand new machine that we've started with. We went out and got a brand new machine so that way we could walk you through a clean install. You also have, well, I'm not going to get too much into the Finder here yet because that's going to be another screencast. I just wanted to give you an overview. So we're going to reduce that down. And if you notice, when that dropped down, that came over here to the right side of this separation bar. Well, there's a pretty trick way with Snow Leopard to prevent this to getting cluttered, and we'll go over that as well. So we have a lot of screencasts we're going to be putting out there, folks. So, and then finally, your trash bin is located here, and then you have your menu bar, which is up here, your Apple icon, which gives you several different options about this Mac. You can check for software updates, your Mac OS X software, another way to get to system preferences. This is your dock preferences, your recent items. When you have a problem and you need to force quit, you take care of that here. You could put your computer to sleep, restart it, shut down, or log out of an account. So that's what the Apple icon does, and it does more. And again, this is a brand new machine, so you can set up your preferences, whatever's comfortable for you. And so we'll talk a little bit about the menu bar as well. But there are several things that we need to go over, like I said, including the Mac hardware, software, iPhone, and everything that you are going to be adding on to optimize your Macintosh experience. It's actually really a nice system. I think you're really going to enjoy this, and we're going to kind of try and go in a chronological order. And please don't hesitate to give us feedback on what you think. If this is working for you, if there's something else you would like to see, and there's several ways you can contact us. If you go over to YouMacShow.com, there's several email links there, but our email is yourmacshow@gmail.com. You can also contact us by phone toll free at 1-877-907-TIPS, which is 8477. So I'm really excited about this. It should be a lot of fun to take you from a brand new machine and help you learn all about your Macintosh. So this is basically our intro, and the next screencast you'll see, we're going to start out with system preferences, and we're going to work on that and show you how to make your computer customized to your needs. So again, my name is Dennis Freitas. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.